versus the first. Where you guys from, Mom? Mommy, where you from?
Oh, where are we from? New York.
You're from where? Where are you from?
New York.
New York! Oh my goodness, that's awesome. You guys like pizza?
Yes.
You do like pizza. What's your favorite kind of pizza?
Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza. Oh, that's awesome. You know what my favorite type of the pizza is?
The pizza box.
You know it! I love the pizza box. How did Mommy know that? That's so awesome. She must eat a lot of pizza. That's pretty cool. Where you guys going? You guys going on some rides?
Yeah.
What rides you going on?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear! I love Buzz Lightyear! Last time I was on Buzz Lightyear, I got a score of 0. But that's just because I don't have any arms. And I just feel like this. A lot of times I toss my lunch.
Oh, you're awesome.
Yeah. Are you looking at the map? Are you lost?
No.
No, there's not a way to be lost around here. You can just kind of go in a circle. Are you trying to punk me?
Okay, Hutchie.